The Dubai Police Force is the 17,500-strong police force for the Emirate of Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. They come under the jurisdiction of the ruler of Dubai, and they cover an area of 4,114 square kilometers and a population of 2.8 million people. The Dubai Police Force was founded on June 1, 1956 in Naif, a locality in the Dera side of Dubai, with the first police station being known as Naif Fort, with only 29 members. The size of the force increased gradually, to 105 in 1960 and to 430 by 1967. In 1973, the force moved its headquarters to their current location of Al Tor, on Al Etihad Street in Dubai. At present, a further move is being planned to a newly constructed headquarters, again in Dera. The Dubai Police Force strives to be most progressive of all Arabic police forces, and aims for high education standards amongst its personnel. The force was the first to use many new law enforcement techniques, including electronic fingerprinting and DNA testing. The force was also the first to use GPS systems to locate stolen vehicles. The force has announced that it plans to deploy its first robot police officer by May 2017, and that their ambition is to have 25% of the force consist of robotic officers by 2030, as well as to operate a smart police station that won't require human employees. In addition, the force was the first to create a human rights department, as well as the first to employ a community policing program. The new headquarters for the Dubai Police is planned to be constructed in Dera, and the premises were designed with several considerations in mind. As well as making easy access for both officers and members of the public a priority, the new design aims to separate the departments into different areas. The building is also to feature a central, multi-level internal space, and is designed to fit in with the developing architecture of surrounding Dubai. The Dubai Police Force describe it as a distinguished constructional conception. The police force closely cooperates with civil defense and ambulance personnel.